Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of our getting started tutorial. In the previous parts, we discussed how to track the project's files using Git and DVC and track the experiments using DagsHub. In this part, we will cover the most common practice of exploring a new hypothesis. We will learn how to examine a new approach to process the data, compare the results, and save the project's best result. So, following the convention, we're going to create a new branch for our experiment. So let's create a new branch. There we go. So as the name of the branch suggests, this time we are going to have the data with punctuations. That is, we are going to omit the code which removes the punctuation during preprocessing. To be specific, line 11 and 12. Let's paste the modified code which has no code to remove the punctuations. Now that we have made some changes in the code, it's time to add them to Git and commit with a suitable message. Let's do that. And the message reads the same, that we will not remove the string's punctuations. So now it is time to run this new code with new preprocessing. So let's do that. Hash data preprocessing.py. Awesome. So from our last experiments, we know that whenever we run the data preprocessing file, we have new files in the output in the data directory. Let's go and check them. So yes, we have these 4 files being added after the train test split. So it's time to update the data directory in DVC with DVC. Oops, we added the wrong command. Let's interrupt it and do it again. DVC add data. Okay. There we go. And we're going to track the changes with Git. So we copy the Git command as well. Let's paste it. There we go. And let's paste the commit message. Awesome. So now is the time to push our code and the data changes to the remotes. Fingers crossed. Let's do it. Awesome. Again with the DVC. Okay, so now we will run the new experiment and we will compare our results. So to run the new experiment, we run our Python script modeling.py. Awesome. So we have finished modeling with an AUC score of 0.927. Let's add the matrix.csv file and commit and push it to our DagsHub repository. Awesome. So it's time to go over and refresh it. Check our experiments tab. Okay, there we see our 2 experiments. So we can see that the second one is not good enough. The first one was performing better than the second one. So there goes our comparison. So now, as we always do with our data science project, we need to revert back to the best version of our project. So that is already stored in our main branch. So let's do a git checkout and a DVC checkout. So we go back to git checkout to our branch main, which has better performing data as well as the code. So we do DVC checkout main as well. Awesome. So let's wait and okay, so DVC does not require the branch. Okay, let's do a DVC checkout. Perfect. There we go. So congratulations, you made it to the finish line. And I look forward to seeing all of your projects on DagsHub. And again, if you have any confusion or question, please feel free to reach out to us on our community at Discord. Thank you.